Welcome back to the Drawing Master Series. Now that we have mastered the controlled line, we are ready to build. Today's lesson is about basic shapes. Every complex object in the world can be broken down into squares, rectangles, and triangles. Let's learn to see and draw them correctly. Exercise 1. The perfect square. A square has 4 equal sides and 90-degree angles. Use the ghosting technique we learned. Move your hand to visualize each side before drawing. Tip: don't just draw 4 lines. Focus on making the corners sharp and the sides equal in length. Start, move, and connect. Exercise 2. Rectangles and proportions. Rectangles allow us to explore aspect ratios. This is vital for composition. Draw a horizontal rectangle first, then a vertical one. Tip: observe the relationship between the height and width. Use your shoulder to keep those long parallel lines steady and straight. Exercise 3. The Master Triangle. Triangles bring energy and direction to art. We will draw an equilateral triangle today. Focus on the 3-point connection. Tip: visualize 3 points in space first. Then connect them with confident, swift lines. Avoid short, scratchy strokes. Trust your practice from the line lessons. Great work today. You are now building the structures of your future art. Practice these shapes every morning. In our next lesson, we will combine these shapes to create your first 3D objects. Keep drawing and keep mastering your art.